We are back in the building for yet another episode of RCL Days Reloaded. Thanks for tuning in. As always, if you are new to the channel and you do like what you see on these videos, please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button on the videos. So today is another day on the roads. I've done my first collection of today and I'm currently up at Thornton Hundred Motorcycles. So this is for one of the new builds that needed another little upgrade that the customer wanted. So they've hit me up to pick it up, get it up here, get the upgrade done, get it back in the van and get it back to the customer. So we've done exactly that. So they've done all the upgrades and the bike is ready to go. But before it goes, we're going to have a quick look at what it is and yeah, man, pretty much see what we think about this one. So again, it's another one of their famous Triumph bobber builds and this one is insane. Now there's only one thing that's missing off this bike, but I don't think the customer's ready for that one. But for now, that's enough talking from me. Let's have a look at the bike.
Start it up.
Here she is, 2021 Triumph Bobber Black, completely custom, as they all are. So this one, I think this one's quite special. It's got loads of options on there, but there's only one option, I think personally, that is missing. Now, if you have watched my previous videos, you would know exactly what I'm talking about. Just take a look at this bike. It's missing a fat supercharger there. However, with that sort of custom exhaust, you can't really go wrong, man. Look at that masterpiece, look at that. I've never seen that done, ever. So yeah, this is quite a sick one. What has it got on there? Pretty much all the bells and whistles that you can get from Thornton 100. It's got the XL fat wheels, it's got the TH hubs, it's got the chain guard, it's got pretty much all the other extras. Also, we got the Olin's upside down forks, which is a sick touch. We got a few carbon bits going on there. There she is, man. We got the L's braided hoses as well. What else do we have on there? Again, everything TH. A few little carbon bits on there. It's got a nice custom brown seat as well. I am really feeling that. The whole diamond stitch pattern. I'm really feeling that. And then, of course, we got little bits like that pretty much everywhere on the bike. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, this one did come in. So this one did come in for a couple more upgrades, which the customer wanted. So yeah, just took it up here to get it done. Another thing that I've never seen before, apparently that's called a beeline, and that is like a navigation system, apparently. That pretty much shows a little arrow with whatever you connect it to. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. So yeah, so the work on this bad boy is all done. So I'm about to get it back into the van and get it back down to the customer and carry on with the day, because I do have a few more bits and bobs I need to get done today. And I'll catch you lot in a minute.